How are you, baby? You just woke up? Huh? Ah, what you're thinking? Huh? Why you snub me? You're a snobbish. You want me to take only your back? Oh my god. Face to me, baby. Please. Look at me. Why? You don't want? I will turn. Ah. Here I am. Your very cute eyes. Ah, ah, so cute. Ah, just now you woke up. Oh, and the other one. Look at him. His cute eyes also. Hmm. Oh, so cute. Hmm. Oh. Look at his eyes. Just now woke up, baby. Huh? 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 Ah. Oh. How's your sleep? Good? Sleep good, huh? Hmm. Oh. Look at his eyes. Oh. Hmm. You too. You behave, huh? Because you just woke up. It's good. But you're so snobbish. Huh? You're not in the mood. He's not in the mood, guys. So snobbish. Hmm? Ah, so snobbish. Look at his face. You're angry? And you too, mommy. Huh? Mm. Cutie eyes. Oh, what? You don't like also? You don't like me to take video? Mm. Look. Oh. Ah. 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 Oh. She snapped me also, guys. Oh. Half-sided face. Look at him. Aywa. Ah. Aywa. Good. Face to me. Mm. Mm. Good. Oh, what? Itching? You want to sleep again? Mm. You want to sleep again, baby? Ah,